Hello everybody, and welcome to another Where's the Gun box break. This one is for 2011 Topps Supreme Football. It is currently 12:57 a.m. Wednesday, March 14th, Central Time. Here's our buyer list. The numbers to the left will be the tiebreaker order. Alright. There we go, here's our box. Alright. Get started here. Thanks for bidding, everybody. Be sure to check out my other box break auctions on eBay and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break. Giving the first 100 subscribers the chance at a free box break. You do have to have a YouTube channel to be eligible, or else I have no way to contact you and no name to put in. Alright. Alright, here we go. We have a Dan Marino base for the Dolphins. Don't see Dan Marino that often. I'll do it this way. Alright. I have a red zone autograph. This is the bonus hit, I believe. And it's going to be Jordan Todman for the Chargers. And that looks like it's numbered 9 out of 100. So Jordan Todman, autograph for the Chargers, 9 out of 100. Alright. And here's another autograph. This one for Leonard Hankerson for the Redskins, rookie wide receiver. And he is numbered 22 out of 50. Here's his John Hancock and the serial number. Alright. And they also have a Andy Dalton red rookie parallel numbered 47 out of 99. There's Andy Dalton for the Bengals. Alright, so the hits, we had the Leonard Hankerson for the Redskins. And the bonus hit is Jordan Todman for the Chargers. Alright, thanks for bidding, everybody, and be sure to check out my other auctions and subscribe for a chance at a free box break.